Okay, so we just made it to the property, and it is still way more grown up than what I thought it was going to be. But we're gonna go as far as we can, see if we can get close. If not, we may have to come back at a later date, but we can still go down into Utica and get you guys acquainted with the story of this property and go from there. So we're gonna keep going up this trail. When we start to get close, we'll come back on. Okay, so here we are a little farther up. I'm gonna hold the camera up. You can see we're in the middle of some old corn. We're making our way up to where the house is, through the rows of corn. So when you walk through rows of corn, the grass is always shorter in between the rows. This is gonna edge off to the left where there used to be old barns and stuff. We are going to the right where all this overgrowth is. The house is right there behind those trees, and we're working our way that way. As you can see, there's lots of overgrowth. This was the driveway, and it would run this way to the house. Okay, so we made it through the back side of the brush to the house itself. This was not an easy trek. Take you up here. I guess you can see some of it. Wow, somebody ripped a hole right here. Someone's been in here. Okay guys, so we haven't been in the house yet. I'll record that when we do. We decided to bypass that. That's back that way. This is the cemetery that has the Smith family in it. These are the people that grew up in my backyard. When I was growing up out here, they were in this backyard. So, has not been taken care of in quite some time. This used to say Smith Family Farm on it. We're getting ready to go in. I'm going to show y'all some headstones. No disrespect to the people who live in here. Alright guys, so here we are. We are inside the cemetery, and here's one of the headstones. This is of... This is James Smith. James Smith was born on February 28th, 1804, and he died March 31st, 1868. He was the father of all the children, and he was the husband Why is there two? Hold on. He was the husband of Mary. Mary Smith was born September 29th, 1810. She died May 27th, 1887. There are about 20 headstones out here. This is Martha. I actually forgot the name of this person. I used to know all these people out here. This is an infant's headstone. This is another infant's headstone. These smaller ones are all of the children. There are several. Here's another infant's headstone. There are a few infants out here that were born and died on the same day. Some were born and died within a year or weeks. So there's one headstone that sat in here that was off away from the rest, that actually faced out the back corner of the cemetery. And I wanted to show y'all that. Some of these have been knocked down. So we're going to come out here and clean this up. We're just not going to leave this like this. But actually the one I wanted to show you is right here. No, I was wrong. I was right the first time. It's this one. This headstone right here. This is the one that's set off by itself. Different shape, different setting. It's smashed. It's set over the back part of the cemetery, faced away from the rest of the family in the corner. Alright guys, so here's the back side of the house. If you look right there, that was our bathroom door. I mean, that was the entrance to the bathroom door. Where you see that pipe was of course our bathroom, part of our bathroom. And then the rest of this was a patio that came out from a sunroom, which was right here. This house had a fire. We're going to go in here. We're going to get to that part. Not sure what that hole is now. This house is not nice at all. This house is terrifying. This window right here was what we called the back bedroom. Every room in it had a fireplace. This was the back bedroom. This is the bedroom that I had as my bedroom when my bed levitated off the ground. It was right there in that window. It ran right. So if this is the bedroom window, you come across here, there was a hallway right here. And then it went around and went upstairs, or it came out this way to where there was a sunroom. This house is not nice. Not nice at all.